Before we start to tell you about Li-Ning Analyze, we will tell you about what is Li-Ning is. Li-Ning, founded in 90s by Olympic gymnast Li-Ning, is a leading Chinese sportswear and brand offering high-quality apparel, footwear, and accessories for sports like basketball, badminton, and running. Known for combining advanced technology with Chinese cultural elements, Li-Ning has gained global recognition and compete with industry giants like Nike and Adidas.
Okay, in this slide we have three strengths, and the first one is product quality. Li-Ning products are of a high standard, especially sports shoes that are innovative and designed for optimal performance. Li-Ning has consistently positioned itself as a leader in product quality, particularly within the sportswear industry, with a strong emphasis on innovation and performance-driven designs. The brand has made significant strides in developing cutting-edge technologies, especially in the range of sports footwear. By integrating advanced cushioning systems, ergonomic designs, and durable materials, Li-Ning products cater to the needs of professional athletes while also addressing the requirements of casual consumers. This commitment to quality ensures that Li-Ning remains at the forefront of the market, offering products that not only meet but often exceed industry standards in terms of both functionality and style. The second one is strategic collaborations. Collaborating with famous athletes and international sport teams help enhance the brand image and expand Li-Ning's own brand name. Li-Ning strategic collaboration with world-renowned athletes and prestigious international sport teams have played a pivotal role in enhancing the brand's global appeal. By forging partnerships with high-profile figures in various sports, Li-Ning not only strengthens its credibility and visibility, but also establishes itself as a credible competitor and established global brands. This collaboration extends beyond product endorsement, often involving co-designing exclusive collections and participating in global events, further solidifying the brand's presence in key international markets. As a result, Li-Ning benefits from an association with elite performance, which elevates its brand perception and attracts a diverse range of consumers. The third one is competitive quality. Li-Ning products offer high quality at more affordable price compared to other global brands such as Nike and Adidas. This may attract consumers looking for a quality alternative without paying premium price. In terms of competitive quality, Li-Ning strikes a delicate balance between offering top-tier products and maintaining affordable. The brand's pricing strategy presents an attractive alternative to premium-priced global giants like Nike and Adidas. Especially in the context of sports footwear, Li-Ning's ability to deliver high-quality, performance-oriented products at more accessible price points give it a competitive edge in market where consumers are increasingly value conscious. This value propositions resonate particularly with those who seek premium features such as advanced material and innovative designs, but are hesitant to pay exorbitant price. In doing so, Li-Ning appeals to a growing segment of consumers looking for a balance between cost and performance without sacrificing quality.
So, I want to explain about the weakness from Li-Ning production. The first one is dependency on the contract manufacturing. Li-Ning depends on other companies to make many of its products, which can lead to uneven quality and delays in meeting deadline. The second is supply chain disruption. Li-Ning's production heavily depends on a global supply chain, Events like pandemic, geopolitical tension, or rising raw material costs that can disrupt production schedules. The third, environmental and ethical concerns. The sportswear industry faces growing scrutiny regarding sustainability and ethical labor practice. The linen production has been criticized for insufficient and transparency in its production process. The last one is over-reliance on China. Most of linen production happens in China. Its production is also largely based there. This makes the company vulnerable to domestic economic fluctuation and policies, such as increased labor costs.
And then the opportunities. Number 1, global market expansion. Li-Ning has significant potential to expand its market reach globally by increasing penetration into regions such as Europe, America, and Southeast Asia. Number 3, active lifestyle trends. Additionally, the growing global trend toward health and active lifestyle present a great opportunity for Li-Ning. Public interest in sport and fitness continues to rise, creating greater demand for sport products, including apparel, shoes, and accessories. Li-Ning can capitalize on this momentum by offering innovative products that meet the needs of modern consumers. Number 4, enhance the digital marketing. Bajingan saran tuh bajigur. Number 4, enhance digital marketing. The use of digital marketing and e-commerce platforms also open up new opportunities to boost sales. With stronger marketing strategies through social media, influencer, and online stores, Li-Ning can reach a wider consumer base at relatively low cost. Strengthening digital marketing can also help the brand compete more effectively in international market. And the last, demand for eco-friendly products. Moreover, the growing global demand for eco-friendly products provides Li-Ning the opportunity to develop a sustainable product line to attract environmentally conscious consumer. By offering products made from recycled or eco-friendly materials, Li-Ning not only meets market demand but also strengthens its brand image as a socially and environmentally responsible company.
The three biggest threats faced by Li-Ning's brand. The first one is Li-Ning brand is dependent on the domestic market. A significant portion of Li-Ning's revenue comes from China, making the brand highly vulnerable to economic slowdowns, regulatory change, or shifts in consumer preferences within its home market. This heavy reliance limits its resilience against economic shocks in China and poses a major risk to its sustainability. Second, intense competition in the sportswear industry. Li-Ning faces strong competition from global giant brands like Nike and Adidas, which have larger budgets for marketing, innovation, and global distribution. Additionally, local competitors like Anta are aggressively expanding, creating a crowded and highly competitive landscape both domestically and internationally. The third, rapidly changing trends. The sportswear and fashion industries evolve quickly, and staying relevant requires constant innovation in both design and technology. If Li-Ning fails to keep pace with emerging trends or competitors' advancements, it risks losing market share, particularly in international markets where competition is even more intense.